Good morning. Okay, now the type of accounts affected in business transaction can be classified into two types. That is according to English system and according to American system. Okay, now here according to English system, already I have explained all this. Okay, it is classified into two types: personal account and impersonal account. And a personal account, you are having accounts of natural persons, accounts of artificial persons, and accounts of representative person. Accounts of representative person. Okay, now next moving on to impersonal account. Under impersonal account you have two types, because real account and nominal account. Again under real account, okay, tangible assets and intangible assets. See, real account rule, it is being followed when it is related to assets, and assets are of two types. Which are those assets? Tangible assets and intangible assets. And you have nominal account rule, Okay, now under American system, okay, it is classified into, okay, so what? Into assets, into capital, liabilities account, expenses and losses account, incomes and gain account. Okay, so here the fundamental rules to be followed for recording changes in these accounts. I have the board, okay, and I will write it down. Okay, see here, for recording changes in assets, rules of debit and credit under American system. Rules of debit and credit under American system. American system. Okay, for recording changes in assets, for recording changes in assets, debit increase in asset, credit decrease in asset. Okay, so under English system, you are following personal account rule, real account rule and nominal account rule. But here what you will follow, okay, if the asset, if it is increasing, you should debit, and if it is decreasing, you have to credit the asset. For example, I am purchasing land and building. So what is happening to my asset? My asset is increasing, so it has to be debited. For example, I had one motor vehicle which I was utilizing for my business purpose. Okay, now I am selling that vehicle. So what is happening? My asset is declining. So it has to be what? It should be credited. I will be solving problems. Just example I have given. Okay, now moving on to for recording changes in expenses, losses, incomes and gains. For recording changes in expenses and losses and incomes and gains. Okay, so here expenses and losses. It is not incomes and gains, expenses and losses. So if there are any changes in expenses and losses, this rule you have to follow. Okay, debit increase in expenses and losses, credit decrease in expenses and losses. Okay, this is the rule. The next is for recording changes in liabilities. Okay, third one. Right, start from here. For recording changes in liabilities, for recording changes in liabilities, debit decrease in liabilities, credit increase in liabilities. And next is fourth one. For recording changes in capital, for recording changes in capital, debit decrease in capital, credit increase in capital. Okay, next is for recording changes in incomes and gains, incomes and gains, debit decrease in incomes and gains, credit increase in incomes and gains. Okay, so here under this is under American system, the accounts are classified under 5 types. Okay, there under English system the accounts were classified into personal account and impersonal account. Under personal account you had personal, natural person, artificial person, representative person. Okay, under real account, under impersonal account you had real account and nominal account. But here the accounts are classified under 5 heads. Okay, so I will read it. I will read out this. Okay, so while doing problem you will understand. One problem I will do after completion of these rules. At that time you will understand. You want to copy it down. For recording changes in assets, debit increase in asset, credit decrease in asset. Debit increase in asset, credit decrease in asset. Second one, for recording changes in expenses or losses, expenses and losses. Debit, increase in expense and losses. Credit, decrease in expense and losses. Third one, for recording changes in liabilities. For recording changes in liabilities. Debit, decreasing liability. Debit, decreasing liabilities. Credit, increasing liabilities. Next, fourth point. For recording changes in capital. For recording changes in capital. Debit, decrease in capital. Debit, decrease in capital. Credit, increase in capital. Credit, increase in capital. Next, fifth one. For recording changes in income side gains. Debit, decrease in income side gains. Next, credit, increase in income side gains. Thank you.